Ooh, this sandwich looks so good.
Hey Joyce, that's mine!
Well, it's mine now.
No, give it back!
No, guys! Don't fight! We could settle this with a challenge!
Oh, I love challenges!
Let's do it! Let's go! Welcome to the 100-layer challenge!
Whoa!
First one to stop eating loses. It's time to eat!
Alright!
Can't wait.
Whoa, that's a lot of chocolate!
Are you kidding me?
Whoa, I've never seen this much chocolate! I wonder how high I can stack it. Okay, so... and then... Whoa!
Max, you're so lucky. All I got is this.
This is the most delicious tower ever! Oh. That's so good. Try yours, Joyce.
All right. Huh? There is so little chocolate, it melted. Oh, hey Max, look over there.
Huh?
I'm gonna take some of Max's chocolate. Oh no!
Oh, Joyce, my chocolate, no!
Sorry, Max. Maybe there'll be more chocolate later.
I guess.
Yay, next round! I wonder what this round will be.
Only one way to find out. Let's bring in the food.
Yay, I'm so excited!
Oh, yeah!
What?
Whoa!
This crepe is so small. So good. I wish I had more.
Hey, Joyce? This cake is too big for me. Do you want to have some? Here's your slice of crepe cake, Joyce.
Wow, thanks, Max.
You're welcome. Let's eat.
Whoa, that looks delicious. My turn. That was delicious.
Such good cake.
Time to move on.
I have a good feeling with this round.
Let's bring in the food and see what you got.
All right. Wow.
What? Oh, I can't make a bubble with this. Oh man, I can't even blow a bubble.
Well, I can blow the biggest bubble of this.
Joyce, that's too much gum.
You're right. This is taking too long. Bubble time.
Whoa! Whoa, nice, Joyce.
Let's go.
Let's move on to the next round. Time for some more food. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Then get ready for some new food now.
Oh, I can't wait.
What?
Whoa. Whoa, this is the biggest burger I've ever seen. How am I gonna eat this?
Well, at least I know how to eat my burger.
Okay, here goes.
This burger was so good.
So is this 100-layer burger.
Sorry, Max. Time to move on.
Oh man.
Wait, I smell something good.
Let's find out what smells so good. Let's bring in the food.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Huh? These are the same size.
You got the small packet, but Joyce has to put 100 layers of ketchup on her hot dog.
Just this little pack of ketchup? That's not enough. I hope that's enough. I can barely taste the ketchup.
Now it's my turn. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. I love ketchup. That was so salty. I'm never eating ketchup again.
Ooh, I'm glad I got mine.
Well, let's move on to the next round.
I wonder what's next.
Something tasty for sure. Let's bring the food out.
Well, I hope it's delicious.
What?
One Reese's piece? What's the deal?
At least you got something to eat. I have this umbrella. What is this even for? Whoa, it rained candy!
You got all that and I only got this. Oh.
Now I can dig in.
Joyce, could I get some?
Nope, it's all mine.
Sorry, Joyce. On to the next round.
Oh, I got a bad feeling about this one.
Don't worry, guys. You'll love it.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, man.
Goodness! Better one spicy pepper than a whole bowl. Whew, that's spicy. Whew.
Oh, I can't believe I have to eat all of these. It's gonna be so hot. Oh. Oh. Ah!
Here's a cup of milk, Max.
Thank you. Oh, much better.
Alright guys, on to the next round.
All the food has been so delicious.
I hope this next one isn't spicy.
Okay guys, this is the last round. You have to eat all of your food in order to win. Bring in the fish.
Fish?
Oh. I love Swedish fish.
What?
Oh, Swedish fish is so good.
Come on, Joyce, you only have one more.
I can't. I'm so full.
Alright then, Max, you have a chance to win.
Oh, one Swedish fish is easy.
Congratulations, Max, you won the 100-layer challenge.
Yes!
Oh, I was so close.
Oh, yeah.
Hi everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs